Good evening traders, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 19th of June. So it's pretty much the same trade as of from Friday, so we'll go through now what we've got bit by bit as the weekend's closed, and I'll see what I'm looking for. So on the weekly chart at the moment, we've got a nice semi-low test slash, it's a bullish candle there, quite nice. It's tested the 140 zone area, got his 3-touch trend line now, which is quite nice, so I'm looking to take it long. I am. You'll find a nice Fibonacci level there as well, and it's tested it's closed above the 618 very nicely. Good strong close there. The daily itself is a bit messy here, and I don't like the way it's tested the daily 50 as such, but this is also a Friday candle, and Friday candles people normally take profit and close them out anyway as high test, so the fact that people just closed out at the daily 50 for me on Friday kind of gives you this high test, but I think that would be a bear trap just because of momentum on the daily. Now what I'm looking for really is on the intraday price action. So what I'm looking for here, so that, let's go there. I'm actually looking for a pullback. I'm just going to delete this for a minute. I'm looking for the pullback to come down to test this kind of area here, test the S1, test the 4-hour 50, and then when it does test it, I like to enter once it moves and close above S1 and above the 4-hour and 1-hour 50. The stop would be 145 pip stop. I want it below the 140 area, below all the Fibonacci levels. Just draw that in for you there. And that means it's actually, if it does come down, it's tested the trend line, the 4-hour 50, the pivot, and everything else in between, which I quite think is quite important, really, in all fairness. Now, at the moment, as you can see, we've got a bullish engulfing candle forming we have on pound yen, which does seem to be wanting to close quite higher, unfortunately, so we might not get this test. On the 1-hour chart, the chart that looks like there, a test of the 0.5 Fibonacci is also a test of this head and shoulder pattern, puts in a nice higher low there, and then if you do enter above S1, that means you're going to enter above the 1-hour 50 outside and the 4-hour 50 and everything else. So that's what you're looking for, and the target really is obviously the recent tops of 147.8, something around that kind of area there. And that's a 4.5% trade. So that's what we're looking for today, really. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. There's a few more trades looking over the week as well, which we'll go through step by step as they come up. Hope you have a good weekend, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.